Yes, welcome back. Today we have it's a TCL 24-inch, and the issue is it's totally dead, not getting any power light. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you here. So right here, not getting any power indicator. So I'm going to do some voltage checks now and see if we can rectify the problem. So I'm going straight to this MOSFET here and nothing. What about here? Okay, so that's just powering down. Let's check before the optocoupler. And we have the same voltage just counting down. Alright, so we have a problem. Normally you're supposed to get a voltage before the by the optocoupler here. And I'm getting negative voltage. And it's just counting down. And no voltage on the other side. So let me unplug the power and I'll check for shorts. Um, I'll check this MOSFET here. It's good. And I'll check this one here as well. No shorts. Um, check this diode here. Diode is not shorted. There's no shorts there as well. Let me check the octocoupler for shorts as well. They are known to go bad. No shorts here. Check the next side. And we have a short. Not supposed to get any short on the two pins. So it's either the optocoupler is bad and the optocoupler is always linked to this little chip right here. So either this is bad or the optocoupler. So let me check this area for shorts. No shorts there. And we have a short. So we have a short, and to me it's not looking like the cap is bad. So what I'm gonna do what I am going to do, remember I was saying that this chip is linked to the optocoupler. If you watch the tracings, let's keep following. It's coming to the optocoupler, and this one is going to the back of the board. Okay, so first, I let me first thing I'll do is remove the optocoupler. If the short is still there, then I will come and remove this cap. Just a little bit of flux. Ah, now seeing this plastic clip. Where was, okay. It's out and it's smoking. Alright, check for shorts again here. And the short is still there. So I will move to this cap here. If I can get this cap out. If it's the cap, check for shorts again. And we still have a short. Where else can cause this short? I am thinking it's this chip. I think this chip is the problem here. Alright, let me put back the optocoupler and the capacitor. Come on. And now the capacitor. This, I'm going to remove this chip. I Can't remember the name of this chip, but it's a some kind of controller chip. Alright, it's probably bad. Let me see the lineup of this chip. Chip is out. So let me check for shorts. And look at that. The short is gone. Yep, no more shorts. And if I check on the octocoupler side here, there's no more shorts. Okay, so the problem was this controller chip. Where is it? Where is it? Right here. So where can I get that chip? I'll have to take it from a donor board. This is a donor board here. Let me switch cameras. It's a donor board. Can't remember the issue with this board, but I know this board has a problem. So let me check to see if this board has the chip. So we have the octocoupler here, and we just follow the tracings. It's going beneath. I'm seeing the chip, but it's hidden underneath the shield. It's right there. So that is the chip we need. Um, hmm. Can I get that out without removing the shield? Without melting any components? I am seeing pin 1. Alright. We got the main part out. And where? Okay, it came out with a cap. I can try to take this out. Alright, it's out. Okay, still no light. Alright, still no light. Um, this one good as well. I need to check this. Oh, I wasn't seeing. I need to check this resistor. It's reading like 40,000 kilo ohms and counting. It's supposed to be like a short, and it's not. I think this resistor is blown, because if I check the same value elsewhere, over here we have one, and it reads as a short, so it's like 2 ohms. And then we have here as well, so I believe this can be, yes, this is no good. Alright, so let me take it out and replace. Okay, um, I'm not getting the 20 ohms, I'm getting 22 ohms, but it should work fine. Okay, still no voltage. Alright. Okay, I found another problem on the board. There's a short on this transistor here. Because when I was checking for the 12 volts, I'm only getting a fluctuation of current. So there's a short between these two pins. And no short here. And it's on the same side after the octocoupler right here. So this could be the issue why I'm not getting any power. So after replacing all these components on this side here, off camera I did a lot of changing as well. This was bad. I also replaced the MOSFET, this chip, and now I'm seeing an issue with this transistor here. Let me see if I could get this transistor and replace it and see if that solved the problem. So this here is a donor board, and this transistor is on the same circuit as the original board. So I believe it's probably doing the same thing. I have not checked the data for it, but um, I'll check in a moment. Most times when you type these numbers, you don't get anything on the internet. So I'm just going to replace it and see if that will work. Okay, so this is the bad one. So what I'm gonna do is check for shorts again and see if there's still a short there or if it's indeed the transistor. And the short is gone. Okay. Ah, come on. That should be okay. And let's see. I think it's working. Look, we are getting a stable 12 volts now. Wow. So it was that last transistor that was the problem. Let's see if I'm getting any backlight voltage. Yes. All right. That's a good sign here. Let me hook up and see if I'm getting any light. Yes, it's on. It's on. All right. Let me see if I'm getting any pit here. I press power. It's powered on. And yes, it's working. Can see? It's working. All right. So in this repair, I replaced a bad MOSFET, a bad PWM control chip, a bad resistor, and two transistors. So thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you wish.